In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Beautiful Shadows plugin in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the element you plan to enhance. With your file ready, open Plugins by pressing Ctrl-K to bring up the quick search. Type Beautiful Shadows and run it. If you already have it installed, just open it from the search results and you'll see the plugin panel appear. Next, select the layer you want to add a shadow to. This can be a shape, a frame, or even a component. With that layer selected, run the plugin on your selection so it knows exactly where to apply the effect. Working with a specific selection helps the plugin preview changes directly on your canvas, which makes adjustments faster and more accurate. Inside the plugin, start with color. Use the color picker to choose the tone of your shadow. Neutral grays are great for subtle depth, while slightly warmer or cooler tones can help a shadow blend better with your background. Keep an eye on contrast. Too dark can look harsh, too light might be invisible. Then click the three dots to reveal more controls. Here you'll find sliders for intensity, blur, and spread. Intensity affects how strong and visible the shadow appears by adjusting transparency. Blur softens the edges, simulating how far the light diffuses. Higher blur generally feels more natural. Spread influences how the shadow expands from the object, which is helpful for creating either tight, crisp elevation or a broader, softer fall-off. Small, thoughtful moves go a long way. So nudge these sliders and watch the preview update as you fine-tune. You can also adjust the light source. Drag the on-screen circle to change the direction and distance of the light. Moving it shifts where the shadow falls and how elongated it appears, which is key for creating a consistent lighting story across your design. Match this direction with any other shadows in your file to keep everything cohesive. When you are happy with the look, click Apply to finalize the shadow effect. This commits the settings to your selected layer so it's ready for review or handoff. If you need to refine anything later, just repeat the same process on the same layer. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy designing.